Meaning of hollowly.
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 Hollowly. The word hollowly is an adverb that describes something being done in a way that lacks depth, sincerity, or significance. When used to describe speech, it suggests that the speaker is just going through the motions without really meaning what they say. This can make their words seem empty and meaningless. In general, something done hollowly lacks authenticity and genuine emotion. Using the word hollowly implies that there is a shallow quality about the behavior or speech being described, as though the person behind it is not fully engaged in what they are doing.